Hey, thank you for tuning into the video today. I own a Hisense refrigerator. We purchased it maybe 3 years ago. And the other day we opened it, the light was on, shut it, we closed it, and then we opened it again and the light wouldn't come back on. So I did some investigating and I figured out that it was the door switch that had gone bad, a faulty one of these. And it's just cheap and it probably gets a lot of use because it's always opening and closing. But for whatever reason, it wasn't working. I did some looking into it, and I actually had to investigate the LED light panel up here, and I investigated the door switch because that was common, and a lot of websites were telling me it's likely the door switch that was going bad. So I took a putty knife type deal, and I got under it, being gentle the whole time because this is probably only some 1/8 inch thick plastic that the switch literally just clips onto. So it has a clip there. And it was kind of a bear to get it out, I'm not going to lie. But be gentle, take your time. I ordered this product on Walmart.com. It was the only place that I could find it. It took me 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks. It actually came from overseas, so that is why it took so long. There we have it. And then just verify that it is the same exact door switch as the one that you removed earlier. Down on the bottom, you'll find numbers on each of them. You're just going to want to make sure that these numbers do match up. Okay, I have verified that all the numbers do match up, and I'm ready to install. So for the install portion, you have 2 wires here. It appears to be working. We're in good shape. So this is the part where you really want to be careful because, as I said, the wall that it clips on is very, very thin plastic. You just really don't want to do anything to potentially crack it or damage that plastic. Let's go for one at a time. And just like that, it's back in. And we are in business. Thank you for watching the video. I hope that you found it very informative. I have a link in the description to the switch that I actually bought and purchased through Walmart.com. If you have any questions, please comment below. Otherwise, hit a like. I very much appreciate it.